Hi, my name is Dr. Laura Pate. I'm a chiropractic physician at Absolute Healthcare, Advanced Chiropractic in Port St. Lucie, Florida. I've been bringing you a series of demonstration videos on stretching and some strength training, and today I'm bringing another video using the foam roller. I have my assistant here, Kona, with me, and you may see some of my other animals appear as well, but you will need a foam roller. You can get this size, which is about half the length of some. The full length also works. You just want to make sure it's solid styrofoam. And I'm also using a yoga mat on the floor. You definitely want to make sure you have somewhere stable. So we're going to start off by rolling out our calf muscles, which is actually composed of two muscles. The one we often see is the gastrocnemius, and then underneath is the soleus. So if you are a runner or even a cyclist, these often can get very tight. I live in Florida, a lot of people wear flip-flops, so they may find their calves tight. Now I will warn you, this can be slightly uncomfortable when you're doing this, but you will feel amazing after rolling out the muscles and the fascia. So I'm going to turn to my side so that you can see what I'm doing. Now, foam rolling is not the most graceful of all exercises, but again, it really helps loosen the adhesions in the muscles and the soft tissues. So I'm going to start with my right leg on the roller. Again, I always want to make sure that I'm stable and holding the ground or a piece of furniture so that I don't roll off. So I'm going to start by putting the roller near my knee, not under my knee joint, just at the very tip, and I'm going to put my hands back to support my body. Now I'm going to slightly lift my hips so that now the weight of my right leg is on the roller, and I'm just going to push with my hands my leg back and forth. So you can continue, if your dog is not here, going the length of your calf in a straight direction, just like this. You can move it down a little bit if needed. There's no rocket science here. You just want to roll out where you feel that tenderness and tightness. I would also recommend, after a few seconds of rolling in one direction, rotating to get the medial or inner aspect of the calves. And then same thing, rotate lateral to get the lateral aspect of your calf and your peronei muscles as well. If you find a spot that's particularly sticky, you can kind of isolate and roll back and forth just by moving your leg, or small movements on the roller until that spot starts to loosen up a little bit. So you can keep doing this as long as you feel that tenderness and if you feel it working out. And then when you're done, you would just simply move the roller over and switch legs. So now I'm on my left leg. I'm going to lift my hips up and just roll back and forth. Thank you for watching. If you do like the videos, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.